Are you looking for an autumnal breakfast idea? Fruity and comforting, but not too sweet? Today, I'm making quince loaf. We're starting out with quince, of course, which will turn into quince syrup. Bonus recipe! For quince syrup, you'll need quince, water, sugar, a vanilla pod, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Quince are covered in tiny hairs, so begin by washing those off thoroughly. Then peel, quarter, and core the quince and put them in a pot. Cut the vanilla in half lengthwise. Zest the lemon. And juice it. Add sugar and water to the pot and put it on the stove. Let it simmer for about 45 minutes until the quince is fork tender. Stir occasionally, especially in the beginning, to make sure the sugar is dissolved and does not stick to the bottom. Then measure out 200 ml of syrup for the loaf and bottle the rest. Put the cooked quince quarters aside as well. Cooked quince quarters, say that 3 times fast. For the quince loaf, you'll need quince syrup, cooked quince, flour, ground almonds, sunflower oil, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Get out a blender and blend up the quince. Keep a few pieces aside for decoration. Blend them up really well until they have a consistency similar to applesauce or baby food. Get out a bowl and add flour, almonds, oil, baking powder and quince syrup. Add the quince and stir well. Get out a loaf tin and line it with baking paper. Fill with dough and smooth out the top. Cut the quince you held back earlier into slices and decorate the top of the cake. There's a little syrup caught on the plate. Drizzle the top of the loaf with it. In the oven, the sugar in the syrup will crisp up a little and make a lovely crust. Now put the loaf in the oven. Bake for 55 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. If you notice the top of the cake getting too dark, cover it lightly with a piece of tin foil. Gorgeous! Let the loaf cool a little, then lift it onto a plate. All that's left to do is enjoy. I keep this loaf in the fridge and eat it for breakfast for a week. The flavor of the quince keeps developing and the slice on the third day is perfection. You can use the quince syrup we made to sweeten and flavor your tea or mix it with water. I hope you try out this recipe, and if you do, please let me know how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?